Blizzard. Alex is at home relaxing and playing with his phone. A weather forecast comes up on the phone screen. Extreme cold and snow. A blizzard is coming. What to do before a blizzard? Alex makes sure all the windows are closed. He checks if the heating is on. Alex checks if his phone is charged and charges it. He prepares an emergency kit. He gets a backpack. He puts a bottle of water in the bag. He puts in warm clothing and a blanket. He puts in a flashlight. He puts in packaged food. Alex calls his family to check if there is a plan and tell them he is safe. He writes down important phone numbers and takes the paper with him at all times. How to prepare for a blizzard. Close all windows. Check heating, radiators, or air conditioning. Check phone battery and charge phone. Prepare an emergency kit including warm clothes. Call your family to tell them and discuss a plan. Write a note with important numbers, and make sure to keep the note with you. What to do during a blizzard. Alex cancels all plans and stays inside. He puts on warm clothes and socks. Alex keeps his dog inside and looks at the snow from inside. He uses only safe heating options, such as radiators and air conditioning. Alex finds a flashlight and avoids candles in case of a power outage. He eats healthy, non-perishable food and drinks water regularly. Alex remembers to keep warm and call family in case he feels cold or sore. Alex waits inside until the blizzard stops. He checks his phone and sees the warning is over. What to do during a blizzard. Cancel plans and stay inside. Put on warm clothes. Bring pets inside. Use safe heating, air conditioning and radiators. Avoid stoves as a heating option. Keep a flashlight close by in case of a power outage. Eat healthily and drink water to stay hydrated. Call family in case you feel very cold or sore. Wait until snow stops falling to go outside.